Yeah, hi Freddy, it's Mark in the UK, just to let you know that I've done your laser, and you can see that there, all sorted. So there's your laser there. Okay, you can see the date on it, today's date. Now I'm going to push play on my CD, so we'll fire that one up. I'll turn it up. So you can basically see it all working. Let's just turn it down. You can see it all working. Alright, now the only thing that was wrong with this it was the laser. Alright, there was nothing else wrong with this. I've tested it, it's been on test now for a day, on and off. Let me just show you something. Right, here was the laser that you sent. Right? Now if you look here, all this here, around here, is epoxy. Alright? That's cheap Chinese junk, alright, where it's been repaired, alright? Do not buy. It's rubbish, alright? Total rubbish, and I wish people wouldn't do it. Okay? Because, you know, at the end of the day, you put that in, and it breaks your system. You know, that's going to be down to you then. So, yeah. Anyway, it's all working for you. I've given it a good clean. I've lubricated the rail, so you should get that in the next week. Alright? Thanks very much, Freddy, and please leave feedback. Much appreciated. I'll throw these other bits in the bin, okay? Thank you.